Hello everyone, and welcome to English Passage. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're a regular learner, welcome back. Today, we're going to master one of the most essential parts of the English language, the verb to be. This tiny verb may seem simple, but it is absolutely crucial to building basic, correct, and confident English sentences. We'll learn how to use am, is, and are, how they fit with different subjects, and how they form the heart of simple sentences. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to use them in positive, negative, and question forms. So let's get started. What does the verb to be mean? The verb to be is used in three main ways. To show existence. For example, I am here. This means you are present, you exist in that place. To describe people or things. For instance, she is tall or it is sunny. These sentences tell us what someone or something is like. To express a condition or feeling, like they are tired or he is excited. The verb helps us explain how someone feels at a moment in time. This verb is one of the first you should learn when studying English because it shows up almost everywhere in greetings, introductions, descriptions, and everyday conversations. Forms of the verb to be, present tense. The verb to be changes form depending on the subject of the sentence. In the present tense, it becomes am used only with I. Example, I am a student, is used with he, she, it or any singular noun. Example, he is my friend. It is a sunny day. Are used with you, we, they or any plural noun. Example, they are at the park. You are my teacher. Let's practice aloud together. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are. It's important to remember which form goes with which subject so you can speak correctly and confidently. Story time. A new friend. Let's see how the verb to be works in a real situation. My name is Anna. I am a student. I am new here. This is my friend Tom. He is kind. We are in the same class. Our teacher is Mrs. White. She is smart and friendly. Our classroom is clean and bright. I am happy to be here. Let's repeat the sentences together, one by one. As you listen, pay close attention to how am, is, and are used with different people. I am a student. He is kind. We are in the same class. She is smart and friendly. This story helps us see how naturally the verb to be fits into real life. Grammar breakdown from the story. Let's understand the grammar behind it. I am a student. Am is only used with I. He is kind. Is used with he, she, or it. We are in the same class. Are is used with we and they. So, the basic sentence structure looks like this. Subject plus am is our plus the rest of the sentence. Try it now. I underscore ready answer am. You underscore my friend answer are. She underscore a teacher answer is. Great. You're getting the hang of it. Understanding positive, negative, and question forms of the verb to be. In English, when we use the verb to be, am, is, are, we can create three main kinds of sentences to express different meanings. Positive, affirmative, statements to describe or confirm something, negative statements to deny or say something is not true, and question forms to ask about something. Understanding these three forms is essential because they help us express facts, ask for information, and communicate clearly and politely in everyday conversations. 1. Positive form, used to say that something is true, real, or happening, a positive sentence with the verb to be is used when we want to say something exists, describe a person or thing, or confirm a condition or state as true. This is the most common way to introduce yourself, describe emotions, or tell where people or things are. Structure. Subject plus am is our plus rest of the sentence. Examples. I am a student. This tells us who you are. She is excited. This tells us how she feels. They are at the park. This tells us where they are. We use am with I am happy, is with he, she, it, or one person thing, he is my teacher, are with you, we, they, or more than one person thing, we are ready. These forms help us express clear and true statements about people, emotions, things, or situations. 2. Negative form, used to say that something is not true, not happening, or does not exist. A negative sentence with the verb to be is used when we want to say that something is not true or doesn't exist. In this case, we simply add not after am, is, or are. This helps us correct information, express disagreement, or describe what's missing or wrong. Structure. Subject plus am is our plus not plus rest of the sentence. Examples. I am not tired. You want to say that you are not tired. He is not my brother. You are saying that he isn't your brother. They're not in the room. They're somewhere else. Not in the room. You can also use short forms, contractions, to sound more natural. She is not here, she isn't here. They're not ready, they aren't ready. This form helps us politely disagree, correct others, or explain when something is false. 3. Question form, used to ask if something is true, happening, or real. A question sentence with the verb to be is used when we want to ask for information, check if something is true, or confirm a condition or state. Instead of starting the sentence with the subject, we start with am, is, or are, and then follow with the subject. Structure. Am is our plus subject plus rest of the sentence. Examples. Am I right? You are asking if you are correct. Is she your teacher? You are asking about her identity. Are we late? You are asking if you have arrived after the expected time. This structure is very useful for polite conversations, confirming details, asking about someone's feelings or conditions, and more. Summary of all three forms. Here's how these forms help in real-life conversations. Positive, use when you want to affirm or describe something true. I am happy. She is kind. We are ready. Negative, use when you want to deny, correct, or say something is not true. I am not tired. He isn't at school. Question, use when you want to ask something, confirm a fact, or gather information. Are they friends? Is it raining? By mastering these three sentence types, you can communicate clearly, confidently, and accurately in English, whether you're speaking, writing, or having daily conversations. Story time number 2, at the park. Let's read another simple story together. It is Sunday. The park is peaceful. John is there early. He is tired from a long walk. His friends are not there yet. They are late. John sits on a bench and looks at the sky. Are they coming? He asks. This story has positive, negative, and question forms of to be. Let's go through some examples. It is Sunday. Is with it. He is tired. Describing a feeling. They're not there. Negative. Are they coming? Question. Let's fill in some blanks from this story. It underscore cold today is. My parents underscore not home are. Underscore they ready? Are. You're doing amazing. Speaking practice. Fill in the blanks. Let's practice together. Fill in the blank and say it out loud. I underscore your friend. Answer am. She underscore not happy. Answer is. Underscore we late. Answer are. He underscore very kind. Answer is. They underscore not ready. Answer are. Underscore it hot today. Answer is. Remember, say it clearly with emotion and confidence. Who are you? Let's try a fun dialogue to practice real conversation. Ben. Hello, I am Ben. Mia. Hi Ben, I am Mia. Are you new here? Ben. Yes, I am. This is my first day. Mia. Welcome. This is our classroom. Our teacher is nice. We are happy to have you. Try reading both parts by yourself. Then switch roles. This is how English starts to feel natural. What did we learn? Let's quickly go over what we've learned today. The verb to be means to exist, describe, or express a condition. Its forms are am, is, are. Use am with I, is with he, she, it, and are with you, we, they. We can make positive sentences, I am happy. Negative sentences, I am not tired. Questions, are you okay? Homework and practice. It's time to put your learning to work. Write 5 sentences using the verb to be. 1 sentence with am. Example, I am a student. 1 sentence with is. Example, she is my friend. 1 sentence with are. Example, they are at school. 1 negative sentence. Example, I am not tired. 1 question. Example, are you okay? Drop your answers in the comments below. I'd love to read them. Congratulations! You've taken a big step forward in mastering English. The verb to be is small, but mighty. And now you can use it with ease in many situations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English Passage, and share it with friends who are learning English. Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, practice makes progress. You got this. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now. Jai Hind. Vande Matram.